Hey y'all, this is Daryl at Hudson's Custom Machining. I've got on the bench today a bearing race from a R&M Feather vane. I wish I had the complete fan here to show you what the whole fan looks like, but I don't have one in the shop at this time. But this is the bearing race that allows the motor to swivel within the C-frame. And this thing's busted. You can see on this bearing race right here where it's been broken. It's got a chip broken out. And you can even see here a crack that goes way on around, about halfway around this thing. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not. But this had ball bearings. Here's a few of the ball bearings here. It was missing quite a few of them when it was sent to me. But at least we got a few of the ball bearings, so I'll know exactly what size to put back in there. But this bearing race had bearings down in here, and this section here held those bearings in place. And then down in here in this bearing race, this section here held those bearings in place, and this little piece right here on the end would slide down to the right amount of so that we had just over there, it went off, broke on off there. This would be slid down on the shaft to the point so that we had the right amount of in play on here for this to be able to swivel, and those ball bearings do their job. And then this was bradded over on the end so that this piece couldn't move back and couldn't come off of there. And I just started grinding this part where it was peened over and bradded to hold this piece in place. I just started grinding that off of there, and I thought I better do a little quick video on this thing, take a little video of it so we can see what we started with. So I'm going to reproduce this. These R&M Feather vane fans are pretty uncommon, and they fetch a pretty high price for these things. So we want to get this one back in working condition. So I'm going to reproduce all of this, put all this back together, and get this feather vane back to working again. So that's all for now. I just wanted to show this section right here. This is what we're starting with, and this is what we're going to reproduce. So hopefully I'll get this video posted to YouTube, and under the same title, part 2. There will be a part 1. This will be part 1, and then there will be a part 2 of once I get all these pieces made. I'm going to have to sit down and measure all this out and get the exact dimensions and draw up some blueprints on it, and we'll get these made and get this piece put back together, and I'll do another video here pretty soon. All right, so that's all for today. That's what we're working on here. Hope everybody's staying safe with the coronavirus. We're self-quarantining, and I'm spending a lot more time in the shop these days. So y'all take care. Thanks for watching the video.